What?
Could have a little bit more. Give her some. Give her some ice cream. Okay. Have some ice cream. Oh, that's too big. Little baby. Hey, little
Open up, Kathleen.
Look out. Hi. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, little baby. Are you gonna talk in there, Mom? Little baby, little. Can I eat this? Oh.
What are you doing?
No! Don't eat the baby's ice cream! I'm just taking it off. It's nice. It's good. It's good ice cream water. Don't eat hers! Mom told me not to eat the babies. Want some more? What? Oh, look how we like it. Little baby. Oh, little boo. Here you go, little boo boo. Look at that. Oh. Little boo boo. Little boo boo. Little boo boo. Little boo boo. Here you go. Feed. I bet you like it. Want some more? Okay.
I guess that's it, Hopi. We don't want ice cream everywhere. She's had enough. She's had enough. No, just, you can finish it. You can finish it.
Okay, can I finish it?
Is it good, Brooke?